So why do we need conditional statements, or what I call relational expressions? One example is we may need to guide our program to perform specific steps depending on the values of variable. Here we have to see if the value of a variable is something. We need to do action A. In case the value of that variable is something else, then we need to do action B. So you can see why I need to have a statement that tells me whether a condition is valid or not, i.e. whether a variable has a specific value or not in the previous example. Relational expressions are statements that can be interpreted as true or false. Whether today is sunny or not, whether your age is less than 25 years old, or you are at least 25 years old. I can continue giving examples like this forever, but the underlying point is the same. The sentence can be casted as true or false. In basic math, we have some operations called comparison operators that allows us to compare the numbers and expressions to understand whether an equation is true or false. MATLAB uses similar symbols for the relational expressions. For example, it uses greater than or equal to or less than and so on. Note that the equality symbol is the double equality sign. Also, the inequality or not equal sign is tilde equal sign. Later, we will see examples of using these operations in this lecture. So, now how do we have true-false values in MATLAB? MATLAB uses 0 and 1 to transfer to false or true respectively. Please see the examples that I have provided here. On the left, the expression 3 is less than 5 has resulted in a value of 1. What does that mean? It means that the expression is true. But how about the expression 2 is larger than 9? That is false. So MATLAB returns a value of 0. Note that the result of this expression evaluation, which is either false or true, can still be used in ordinary operations. The true or false results are essentially number. So the example in the middle, where I have added 3 units to the result of a conditional expression, must make sense to you. Finally, I would like to mention that it is also possible to compare the characters. This comparison is based on the ASCII code associated with each character. For example, the ASCII code of the letter A is smaller than the same code for letter C. Therefore, the expression on the right example is true. In this class, we do not work with characters and strings very frequently, but if you are interested, you can consult MATLAB help in this regard.